How to be a good husband. Part 1. These are the best tips to be a good husband that will collectively give you ultimate benefits to lead a balanced and successful life ahead and grow your family. It is very much important to be good at your side. By following the tips to be a good husband, you can end up having the successful relationship. It will lead you to ultimate progress in personal life. When you are happy with your relationship, you can explore all the beautiful things. Most importantly, you can give a better future to your kids. These tips cover all aspects of your marital relationship and give the best guidance. You can make your partner understand you better by understanding her better in the marital relationship. It is all about making ways to being close to each other. This is the ultimate key to happiness. Trust. The basis of any relationship is trust, and without this, no relationship can complete even a day. The most important quality that you should possess to become the perfect husband is trustworthiness. With growing trust, the relation becomes stronger. You should not spy on her or be suspicious of her. If you both can trust each other blindly, the ultimately you will be sure your relation is a perfect one. Be a gentleman. It is one of the prime characteristics that you should possess to be a good husband. No matter what your wife tells, she will always love to be in a relationship with a gentleman. There is nothing huge or extravagant that you need to. You can kiss her before leaving the house or after coming back home. When she is busy with shopping, you need to be patient enough and then carry her bags for her when you go out on dates. Make sure that you pay for them. These simple things will make her deeply fall in love with you. Show your appreciation. Find other ways to show you appreciate her. An easy way is to smile and thank her when she does things for you. And others, tell her the best decision of your life was to marry her. Tell others she's brilliant. It will likely get back to her. Never criticize her to other people. When she shows she appreciates you, so that you like this by saying things like, "That's very kind of you." When you are both showing appreciation for the other on a regular basis, it is a make a lot difference all round. Best friend. Be a best friend. After your marriage, you are the best friend that your wife has. So make sure you become one in reality. Whether the faces a problem, you need to make your best efforts to solve it along with her. If you are facing one, you should always consult her first. It will only make the bond stronger. A good listener. Your wife spends the entire day away from you, maybe at her workplace or house. The moment she meets you, she tries to bear her heart open to you. That's the way to connect with you after a day of work. You should listen carefully and eagerly to whatever she has to say, but make it a conversation and not just a monologue. You need to make her feel that you are enjoying it or you are neglecting what she says. Passion. If you support your wife's passion and give time to fulfill her hobbies, she just can't ask for anything more. It does not mean that you have been part of her hobbies. Going to out for a walk or a jog or doing the gorgeous together, girls value these small things a lot and it shows on her face and body. If you readily volunteer, she will be the happiest girl in the world. Be courteous. Respecting your wife is critical as it will make her feel that you value her a lot, that your wife is a different person, that you with her ideas and thoughts. You just need to acknowledge them. You should never force her to follow your dreams or visions. You need to keep your promises that you made to her and be punctual about your meetings or peaks hours.